Welcome once again to my further maths online class. In my video right now, I'm taking logarithm, and under the logarithm, I'm taking a mixture of multiplication, square root, and division. Let's get started. Number log. I'm picking 3.754. Then I have the square root of 28.73 divided by 125.2. Now the first step I'm going to take is to count the number before the point. This is 1 minus 1, so it's going to be 0 point. Then I'm going to pick my logarithm table and look for the logarithm of 37 under 5. So 37 under 5 is 5740. 5740. Then difference 4. Difference 4 is 5. So that's plus 5. I'm going to add this 0, 5 plus 0, so it's going to be 0.5745. Then I'm going to pick the second one. The second one, I'm going to first of all count the number before the point. This is 1, 2, so it's going to be minus 1, that's 1 point. Then I'm going to look for logarithm of 28 under 7. I'm going to pick the logarithm table. 28 under 7, that's 4579. 4579. Difference 3. Difference 3 is 5. That's plus 5. Then 5 plus 9, that's 14. So it's going to be 4, remainder 1. Then the 1 will be added to 7 to give us 8, 5, 4, then 0.1. That's for the first one. Then I will come down to this one. I'm going to count the number before the point. That's 1, 2, 3. So it's going to be 2 points. Then I will look for the logarithm of 12 under 5. Logarithm of 12 under 5. 0969. That's 0969. 0969. Then difference 2. I'm going to check the difference. Difference 2 is 7. So that's plus 7. I'm going to add this once again. 9 plus 7 is 16. I'll write 6, remainder 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. Then I'll pick 9, 0, then 0.2. Now, don't forget, this one is division. We'll first settle the division before we come to the square root. So, and in law of indices, when you are giving division, it means you are going to subtract. So I'm going to subtract the log of the up one from the down one. So it's going to be minus. 4 minus 6 is impossible. That means I'm going to borrow 1 from 8 to be 14. So 14 minus 6 is 8. I'll write 8. This one is already 7. 7 minus 7 is 0. Then 5 minus 9 is impossible. I'm going to borrow 1 to make it 15. 15 minus 9 is 6. I'm going to write 6. This one is left with 3 already. 3 minus 0 is 3. Then point. Then 1 minus 2 will be that's by 1 minus 1. Now, after this, we have gotten the division. After the division, we'll look for the square root. And when you are the square root of this value means divided by 2. So I'm going to divide this answer by 2, divided by 2. Now, minus 1 divided by 2, which is by 1 divided by 2, is impossible. So what are we going to do is, since this one is by 1, we are going to, and this one is 2, so we are going to add 1 to this one to make it to be by 2. So it's going to be by 2 divided by 2, which will give us by 1. Then that 1 that we added, we are going to add it to the 3 to make it 13. 13 divided by 2 is 6 remainder 1. So we are going to write 6 remainder 1. That one we are going to add it to this to give us what? To give us 16. 16 divided by 2 is 8. Then this one, 0 divided by 2 is 0. Then 4 divided by 2, 8 divided by 2 is 4. Now we have already sorted out the equation on this. Then we will now come back to we are going to pick this equation. The final answer we got on this first equation, that's 0.5745. We are going to rewrite it here, 0.5745. Then the final answer we got on this, we are going to fix it here to be, that's by 1.6804. So since it's multiplication that is in between them, that means we are going to add the answer. So it's going to be plus 5 plus 4 is 9. 4 plus 0, 4. 7 plus 8, 15. 5, carry 1. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 2. Remainder 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. Then 1 minus 1 plus minus 1 is 0. So it's going to be 0.0. So therefore, we will now look for the antilog. Antilog of 25 under 4. 25 under 4, then difference 9. 25 under 4, we'll pick our antilog book and look for the antilog of 25 under 4. That's 1795. Then difference 9. Difference 9 is 4. That's plus 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. 971. Then the question says this will be the final answer, but the question says we should correct it to 3 significant figure. So, and this one is 4th significant figure. So we are going to approximate this one. We add it to 9 to be, it will make it 10. That 10, that will be 0. Remainder 1. We add the 1 to 8. So to 7 to give us 8. Then we fix 1. Now this one is 0. We add 1 to 0 to make it 1. So our point will be here. This will be our final answer to 3 significant figure. Thank you very much. Please click on the subscribe button and the bell button so that when I release video, you are going to see the notification. Thank you.